Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you through how to use the thinkorswim screener and the screener on Yahoo Finance. So let's get to it. Very simple and straightforward. So, first, let's go to the thinkorswim and then we'll go to the Yahoo Finance one, which is pretty easy. Yahoo Finance screener, and I'll show you how I'll set it up. So let me just show you Yahoo Finance. I already have some set up. So low flow penny stocks. So to find penny stocks, first let's go to thinkorswim. Let me show you here first. So you go to analyze, and then you go to scan, and then there you go. This is one of those scanners, and you can edit and stuff like that. But let me show you the one I already have made. So the things I use is, for stock, the last price I set it to 0.10 to $50. The share size, low number like 869. Of course, there's not something like that. And then to 30 million shares of stock for shares per stock. So that's very low flow. The lower, the more volatile, the more likely it will move. I know you will see here I have a $50 one, but there are some penny stocks that will go from dollars to tens of dollars. It'll go from like $5 to $50. Penny stocks for me is something that's low flow. Something that, by low flow, I mean it has a small amount of shares available. And then also I put the change in percentage, how much it gapped up. I always go for gap ups, not really gap downs, because gap downs meaning people are getting rid of it. And in thinkorswim, it's hard to short, hard to find shares to short. So most of the time, and pretty much 99% of the time, I go long on stocks that are moving based on momentum. And then also, lastly, I have a market cap that I set it to 1.2 billion. So right here is 1,200 million, which is the same thing as 1.2 billion. I don't want it to be too big, because the bigger it is, the harder it is for the stock to move. And likewise, the more shares, the more likely the market cap is going to be bigger, unless the price is very low. So that's my way of doing the penny stock scanner. It works very well. If I put scan, you will see it has popped up. Here are the top stocks: CPAH, UABS. Here it shows you the percentage, how much it moved. This is the way I organize it. You can go to this little gear thing to change and customize, and you can move things around. But this is the way I like to order. I like to order by shares, percentage change, the low, the last price, the high, the net change, and volume. And the way I organize it is by volume. And by volume is just a way to see which stock has the most attention. So as you can see, CPAH had the most attention. Right here's the name of the stock. There's the market cap. It was a $17 million market cap stock with 6 million shares. It moved up 27% by the end of the day. It was a low of 265, a high of 450. The last price was 281. Let's look at the chart. CPAH. Let's go to trade CPAH, and this is the chart. This is something that went down. People didn't trade it. Let's look at another one. Let's go to CHK. Let's look at CHK. That's one I noticed, CHK. And look at this incredible move. It went from $20 all the way to $31 in a very quick move. I was looking at that. I got in right here, and I only got I only did one share, and I only made 64 cents, as you can see here. But I was just playing around. I'm like, it's gonna break above the breaks above this line, then it's gonna go move up, and it did. I didn't pay attention. I think I took a nap, and look at what happened. I missed out on that kind of move. Let's look at another one that's low float. I like it when it's below 10 million shares. Here we have, this one was one of them. TRPX. Let's look at TRPX. TRPX. Let me type it in correctly. TRPX. Very choppy. I do not like this chart at all. Horrible chart. UAVS. Let's CUABS. I also don't like it. The best chart in my opinion was CHK. There are probably other stocks that were good. I just like to go based on percentage change. KLXE, 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 KLXE. Dang it. KLXE. This is a decent chart. I pretty much like the moves. Very choppy, but look at the move from 0.78 to 96. Decent, and then it breaks above this up to here. It's a decent chart. Nothing special. Total volume of where is it at? What was it? KLXE. 6 million. The price is very low, so I would expect it to be higher. So that's pretty much what I like to look at. This is how I find the penny stocks. But I also look at chat rooms from Warrior Trading. And now let's look at Yahoo Finance Screener. Here you can go to the screener. Just type in screener, Yahoo Finance Screener. I already had created one, so right here you put create new screener. I already had created one, so let me show you the one I have. So this screens for these style. Let me look at what kind of things I put. So I put small cap, total shares outstanding. That's 700,000. That's too low. Let me change it to 10 million. 10 1 2 3 1 2 3. That's 10 million. Less than $10. The United States. Find stocks. What needs to change? What's wrong? What's wrong? Let me change this to 30. Alright, save filters. Save. Find stocks. That's weird. I don't know what's going on. Let me edit this. Let me change the. What should I change? Oh, total shares outstanding. That's the thing. Okay, there we go. Boom. Alright. Total shares outstanding. Oh my gosh. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Alright, boom, there we go. And we also want to put volume. Volume and the day. No, volume intraday. Get rid of this one. Close. Okay. Greater than 100,000, I would suggest, or greater than 40,000. Okay, boom. Find stocks. What am I getting? These are weird things. Let me change. Oh, I didn't change the price. The price. Let's change the price to, where's the price? Price and intraday. Close price less than $50. Or actually between you can do 30 cents to, let's say, $30. Boom, 251 shares. I mean stocks, different types of stocks. Find stocks. There we go. CHK, that's the one that popped up on the Thinkorswim screener. Sorry for my horrible speaking skills. And there you have it. Pretty much the same thing. You could organize it by volume. Boom. This is increasing. Let's do it from highest. So CPAH, it was one. Chesapeake Energy was the best one that moved the most. And yeah, you could also change, I think, well, not really, you can't really change the order of these things. But there you have it for Thinkorswim and the free Yahoo Finance. Thinkorswim is also free, but I prefer Thinkorswim over the Yahoo Finance. You could save the filter if you want. I have an email for this. But yeah, just check it out. You know, you could do your own screener. And that's it. See you on the next video. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Appreciate it so much. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.